Welcome to the Otec online shop. My name is Chris and I will guide you through the tutorial by explaining the different functions and advantages. The online shop is a web-based program where you can request and order media or spare parts for your Otec machine. In addition, it offers you also helpful tools for your order management. All it needs is a computer or a mobile device with internet connection and a browser, and you're ready to go to order 24/7. In order to receive your login, you just get in touch with your Otec contact person who will activate your account and send you the login data. I will show you how it works. So, in order to enter the main page, you type in your login data, which is your email address and the password. So, just a second. And then you press login. Now we're on the main page and you can see 4 categories, which is media, spare and wear parts, safety data sheets, and free processing of samples. In our case, I'm interested in buying some media, so I click onto media. So also here you can see an overview of different products such as compounds, paste, and so on. And as I said, we want to buy some plastic media chips, so we click onto the plastic media chips. Let's scroll down a little bit. As you can see, we have the table with the different plastic grinding chips and the different columns, and a table head with a sort of function. This function is actually available throughout the entire online shop. So wherever you have a table, you can use this function, which is actually quite useful. And above the table there's a search box, so you can type in the article number or the name of the product. Also this function is available in the whole online shop, and especially when you know what you're looking for, it makes your life way easier. So let's have a look. In this case, I would like to go to this product. But there's even a faster way to find your product. You just go on top of the page into the search box, you type in your article number, enter, and it will take you right to the product. Okay, now we're on the product page where you can see the specifications on top. Below that we can find the different documents in several languages which you can download. Below in the table you can actually see the different units available, the real-time available stock at Otec, and also the delivery time just in case the product is not available on stock at the moment. Actually, you can also add the product to your memory list, which you can find on top of the page under my account. And beside the button add to your memory list, we also have add to your cart and show my price. What exactly does the button show my price mean? It shows the correct price according to your conditions registered at Otec. Now click on show my price, and your price will be calculated, and here we go. You can see your price on top and the gross price below. Let's type in the quantity you want, and it shows directly your price, and you can add the product to your cart. What if you would like to order the correct spare parts for a customized machine, for example? That is exactly where the Otec online shop reveals its true potential. By using the main navigation, we will see the different spare parts categories, and we choose one subcategory. Now we have an overview of all spare parts available or existing spare parts for this category. Some of the spare parts are suggested to be kept on stock. The corresponding recommendation will be shown in the description of each article. Let's have a look at the details. In order to add a spare part to your cart, you have to select the corresponding machine number by either using the drop-down menu or you type in your machine number into the search field. You also have the possibility to add or to order spare parts on stock. To do so, you choose Order on Stock at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Let's talk about orders. The Otec online shop is offering you simple ways to manage your orders. Let's have a look at the shopping cart. Once you have entered the order cart, you can either edit or delete single articles, or you can also add more products to your order cart. Subsequently, you choose the right billing address. Important, new billing addresses can only be added by Otec. So the next step is to choose the right delivery address, or you can also add a new address by yourself. At the end, you will find a summary of your order with all details, which you can check before you submit the order. Additionally, you can also leave some remarks for Otec. So the order has been submitted and we are happy, but to make it easier for you, you can even import your own shopping cart from your ERP system. To import data from your ERP system, you go on Import Cart. What you need is a CSV file, which should include an article number and order quantity per line, separated by semicolons. Let's choose our file. And once you have the file, you click on Start Import. As you see, your articles have been successfully added. In case your request is also including some spare parts, you also have to choose the corresponding machine number. Once you have done that, you go on Show Cart. Let's come to the key point of our online shop, which is the menu item My Account. By using My Account, you will find an overview of all your machines and orders. Not only orders which have been submitted online, but also offline. In addition, you can also download all documents related to your orders. Let's have a look at My Orders. First, you will see an overview of all outstanding orders, including your Otec order number and the date of order, and perhaps your internal order number. You will also see all documents related to this order and the quantity ordered. Here you have the confirmed delivery date. If you want to see the already sent orders, you just click here. Below each table or order, you will find the corresponding tracking number. Let's go to My Machines. Here you will see an overview of all your machines, and again you can use the sort and search function. Now let's go to one of the machine charts. The machine chart is consisting of the operating manual and the service reports, which you can download as soon as they are available online. Then we have the spare parts, the spare part history, and the delivery state. Let's go to spare parts. Here you can actually filter between spare and wear parts. And another very handy function is that you can add several parts to your cart. The spare part history will actually show you all spare parts which have been delivered for this machine so far. And the delivery state will show you all components of this order when the machine was first delivered. Now we're already at the end. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us anytime.